Hey, I got Takis and Scooby Snacks. Both right now. Hey, I got your Reese's Puff right here. Hey, you want a lick from my lollipop? Oh, I don't know what I should do. Should I break in or should I run away? Oh, You should break in. Oh, no, I shouldn't. I could risk getting the cops called. Just do it. You'll be fine. Oh, hey, I'm the guy who stole all the candy off your porch Halloween night. Uh, no. I actually came here to eat all the candy that I saw off your porch right in front of you. Oh, hey, guys. You probably noticed. Why are you looking at me like that? What? Is it because of this? You realize this pink spider is fake. Hey, check this out. Hey, I got your shoes right here. Sorry I was so late to delivering them. Check it out. I got froyo right now. Mm, mm. Check it out. I got Scooby Snacks and you don't. I threw a snowball at your porch. I think this Diddy blood is Epstein. Check it out. I got Scooby Snacks and you don't. I think we are gonna turn him into copy lane mechanism. What is this Diddy blood doing? Hey, you. I need help. I got these clippers stuck in my nose and I can't breathe. How can I clip them up? Oh, 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 I can breathe again. Hey, I'm here to steal all your money. Let me in. Oh, wait. Is this a penny right here? Oh, that's all I came for. Thank you. Guys, you are going to want to watch this video because I have something very valuable. I heard the penny is being discontinued. I have one. I have a penny. This is so rare. Hey, I'm just trying to vacuum clean your porch. Oh, what's up, neighbor? Hey, oh, you left a Coke for me on your porch? Thank you. Yeah. Sprite. Hey guys, today I'm deciding to fly.
Really broke, I understand, but goddamn, why you hating on my man? Get you some rest, get you some rest. Spend all this money on these brands, but she still won't shake your hand. For me, she gon' pass it.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
It's beginning to look
Hey,
a lot like
Merry Christmas.
everywhere you.
Hey, why did the Scarecrow run away? He was outstanding in his field. Alright, bye now. Hey guys, today I'm gonna turn into Superman. I gotta spray cranberry. It's the best. Look guys, I got eggnog right here. Mm, mm, mm. Ah, ah. Which would you rather have? Would you rather have Santa Coke or would you rather have a Sprite Cranberry limited edition? You're not getting any though. Hi, happy Thanksgiving Eve. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Hey, happy Thanksgiving. I was just wishing you a happy Thanksgiving, you little asshole. Hey, I got a pumpkin pie right here. Nut! Guys, my luck's been so good today. I know something bad's gonna happen to me. It's officially winter with all the snow. The earth is dying. Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
Ha ha. I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what? Are you looking for a Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for, Phoebe.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So, you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with a gun.
Okay,
Have a good night.
understood. Giant gallon of chocolate syrup. Mm. Bleh. Sorry. I just thought it'd be. I'm back.